Often the dashboard is vibrating on this Renault Espace. This portion, if it's moved a little bit up or down, then it's silenced. So let's make some space. Push that in. Okay, now we have to remove these two corner elements. You can grab them from the side. So it has these three clips, and we were grabbing it from this side. So those three were holding it. Remove the other one also. This was surprisingly much easier because I don't see the third clip. So that's the right side, this is the left. This has it, that does not have it. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we have Torx screw here. We have to remove that one. Here we have a T15. Now lift up this portion. It has 5 clips or something like that, plus a wire. Disconnect that one, and it's here. And this portion is the noisy one, so we have two pieces here, the lower one and the top one. Now this is made of two parts, as you can see. It is glued together, and probably that's where it's squeaking at the gluings. Now insert some foam between these two layers. So I inserted two pieces of this thin foam. One is visible here. Now it sounds different. The gluing is still noticeable. In the end I added 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let's put it back. It's quite heavy. And put the screws back and the cap. Now let's start the engine and see if it's better or worse. It is moving, but since there is foam, it's not dangerous. Let's see a different engine RPM. There is a little bit. And this appears at higher. It returns at lower. But it was noisy here in the center. So let's call it better instead of worst. So after all, you don't need to remove this top cover, just insert some foam between those two layers. Here we have two layers.